Before we get in today's video, guys, please make sure to go ahead and smash that subscribe button to stay up to date with all my amazing Minecraft videos. Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your main man, Smooth Mark, and in today's video, we're going to be heading to the Kid Danger and Captain Man dimension. That's right, guys, we're going to be heading to the absolutely amazing, awesome, and epic Kid Danger and Captain Man dimension, guys, and I just hope when I make it inside this dimension, they let me join their superhero duo, guys, and they let me chew bubblegum, blow bubbles, and most importantly, kick bad guys' butts, because I've always wanted to kick bad guys' butts. But what you guys are going to need to head to this dimension, you're going to need 20 blue wool. You want to go ahead and place 5 of these down on the ground, just like that, right there, guys. Then you're going to need fur red wool. You want to go ahead and place 1 of these on each side of your blue wool, just like that, right there, guys. Now you just want to go ahead, jump on up, grab your blue wool, and place 5 of these on this side with 1 red wool right on top, guys. Now you just want to go ahead and you want to jump on down. Son of a chicken, that hurt. Now you just want to go ahead and place 5 blue wool on this side. And then you just want to go ahead and you want to place 5 blue wool right in the middle, guys. Smack dab right in the middle. And then 1 red wool on the edge. Now you can just go ahead, run, and jump on down and take a look at this absolutely amazing, beautiful, epic frame you have just created, guys. Now you just want to go ahead and you want to whip out your flint and steel and light this baby up. Boom! Wow, don't that look absolutely amazing? That looks so amazing. That would definitely make me want to scroll down and smash that red subscribe button, guys. But now it's time to go ahead and head on in to the Kid Danger and Captain Man dimension. I just really hope, guys, they let me become a superhero. But whoa, is that their house? Oh my god, this must be Kid Danger's house. Wow, it is absolutely humongous, guys. Wow, just take a look at this place. This place is so beautiful. If he ever wants to change lives with me and give me his house, I will definitely take it, guys. I will definitely take it. Just look at this place. It's amazing. Oh my god, what's inside this room? This must be the mom and dad's bedroom. And wow, guys, they have a really nice, soft, jumpy bed, guys. I really do like their bed. They have a really nice bed. And they also have a computer. Oh my god, I cannot believe that they actually have a computer, guys. Wow, this is amazing, guys. This is so amazing. I might have to come back and take their computer because I definitely need one, guys. But I really do love their bedroom, guys. But let's go ahead and see what's out here, guys. And oh my god, this must be like some kind of setting room where you just like sit down with like Invisible Man and just like talk to him, although you guys can't see him. I wish there was a TV set. Unless it's invisible, there probably is a TV set. It's probably invisible, like Invisible Man. That's probably what's going on right now, guys. They're both invisible, guys. But let's go ahead and let's check out the rest of this house, guys. What's inside this room? This must be the sister's bedroom. Wow, she has a really nice bedroom, guys, and I really like how her bed's nice and jumpy, guys. She's probably going to be upset at me for jumping on it, though. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and have my pig jump on it. Your butt's on her pillow. Oh my god, his butt's on her pillow. She's going to be so upset. Oh my god. Get off of her pillow. Oh my god, I'm leaving. I'm leaving, guys. Oh my god, she's probably going to come back and beat me and my pig up for that, guys. But wow, whose bedroom is this? This must be Kid Danger's bedroom. Wow, now I would definitely sleep in this bedroom, guys. I would definitely take this bedroom over. I really like this bedroom, guys. Other than that creeper head, oh my god, this is so scary, guys. Could you imagine waking up and having this creeper head look at you in bed? Oh my god, that'd be really scary, waking up and just like seeing it watch you in your bed. Oh my god, guys, I would flip out. I would flip out, guys. No way I'm taking this bedroom. You know what? Kid Danger can keep his bedroom. I'm leaving. I'm leaving, guys. I don't want anything to do with that bedroom. But let's go ahead and see what's down the staircase, guys. And whoa, he has a humongous kitchen, guys. Wow, this place is amazing. A double oven, a double oven, and he also has a refrigerator where he probably keeps his milk and all of his good stuff. Wow, I really do like this kitchen, guys. I really do. Let's go ahead and see what's out back, though, guys. And oh my god, this is his dining room table, guys. This is probably where he sits down and he has, like, all of his dinners with his family. And he probably talks out, like some superhero ideals and whatnot, guys, at this table. This is really amazing, guys. I really do love it. But let's go ahead and see what's in the backyard. And oh my god, they have a pond. They have a dirty, nasty pond in their backyard? Okay, it looks like somebody pooped in that. But oh my god, over here's their swimming pool. Wow, I love their swimming pool, guys. I just don't overly like that pond. But what's up here, guys? Oh my god, it's Kid Danger. Are you having a cookout? No, you're not. Then why do you have ovens out here? Are you trying to have a cookout without me? Oh my god, guys, I think he was trying to have a cookout without me. He didn't even invite me, guys. Wow. I thought we was friends. I thought you was going to let me become a superhero just like you. But now I can see you're not going to let me become one, are you? Only if I go for a swim in that pond? I don't want to go for a swim in that pond. It looks like that pond got pooped in. Oh my god, he's trying to make me go for a swim in that pond. Look at this, guys. Don't it definitely look like somebody pooped in that pond? I don't want to go for a swim in that pond. How about if I go for a swim in the swimming pool? How about this? How about this, Kid Danger? If I build up TNT, right? TNT, and I'm on top of the TNT, and then I jump off into the swimming pool, then will you let me in? I'm going to do it, guys. I'm going to do it, and hopefully he will see me do it, and he'll be like, that's so amazing, and then he will let me in. So let's do this, guys. Oh, my God. Wow, that was amazing. That was amazing, guys. What did you think, Kid Danger? I think he liked it. I think he did. You know what? I'm going to top it, though, and I'm going to blow up the TNT, guys. Here it goes. Here it goes. It's going to go flying. Boom! Oh my god, whoa! Oh my god, did you guys see that one go flying up into the sky? That was amazing, guys. And we also expanded his swimming pool, guys. What did you think about that, Kid Danger? You think I'm an idiot that just blew up your swimming pool? No, I expanded your swimming pool. That's what I did. I expanded it. I didn't blow it up. I just expanded it, guys. I actually did kind of blow it up, guys. And I blew it up really bad. But if you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to like, comment, and most importantly, smash that red subscribe button. And until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.